making flaming hot chicken. And what you're gonna need is your chicken flats, hot Cheetos, well, your flaming hot Cheetos, milk, your 4 eggs, flour, and your seasonings. And over here, I have flaming hot Cheetos that are crushed in a bag. So make sure that your chicken is washed off and it's late in the middle of the night, y'all. And I'm tired, but I'm going hard for y'all. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna mix our dry ingredients. Okay, so now we need 3 cups of this flour. Okay, so this is 1 cup, 2 cups, and 3 cups. Now what we need is our 4 eggs. Okay, and there's our 4 eggs. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these crushed flaming hots in here. Okay, now I'm adding 1 cup of milk. Okay, and now I'm gonna add 1 more cup of milk. So that makes 2 cups of milk. Okay, if you got some type of blender or something, you can put your flaming hot Cheetos in a blender, a bullet, or whatever you use. But I don't have that. So what I'm gonna do is like crush these with my fingers. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is put a little bit more of these flaming hot Cheetos in this bowl, and also I'm gonna sit some over to the side in that bowl. So now you put your seasoning into this mixture here. So I'm gonna put like 3 pinches of salt and putting some pepper in there. Salt in there, I put pepper, I put Creole seasoning, and seasoned oil. Oh, and some onion powder and garlic powder. So now I'm just gonna mix this in here. Okay, so now what you wanna do is you wanna take your chicken and you wanna dip it. Well, I'm gonna use a spoon, y'all. In this batter. Okay, so I dropped the chicken in there. It's covered in that batter. You want a little light rain sound though. But you don't want it too high and cooking too fast. Okay, this is how you want it frying. You don't want it popping everywhere. It's on medium heat. You don't want to cook with grease just flying everywhere. And then it's going to cook too fast on the outside and out on the inside. I know a lot of people that fry chicken like that. That is so irritating. Okay, here's the chicken. And what you want to do is you want to take the chicken and you want to roll it around. Roll this around in the flaming hots. Okay, y'all. So now I'm going to try this chicken. Yummy. Y'all, the outside of this chicken, it tastes really crunchy. Like, if you're a person that like extra crispy chicken and you like it to be just a little bit on the high side, just a little bit, this is so good. God, I really can't believe how good this is. But y'all, thumbs this video up, like and subscribe, share with a friend, and God bless.